Page 82, Black Forest Polka. In this piece, C major, I don't see any accidentals in it, so we're just going to use the white keys on the piano. This is a fun piece that says moderato. Moderato, yeah, I don't know. It's a polka. If you're familiar with polka, it's a type of dance. And there's different speeds, I suppose, for polkas, but generally a polka is a pretty lively. To me, it's more like an allegretto. It's a fun thing. It's a little quicker than moderato, or a quick moderato, whatever. It's a good workout for fingering broken chords in the right hand, because that's really all this is, block chords and broken chords. Just for instance, starting out with block chords in the right hand. And I recommend extended position, so you're not moving the hands so much. So rather than what they're fingering is 1, 3, 5 each time pretty much, it's 1, 2, 5. That's fine if you want to do it showy, and if that's what you're after, showy is good, go for it. Otherwise, I would do it 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 5. In that. Again, it's up to you, but you experiment. But then look at the last measure, the first line. We have these notes. Hold those down. It's just a chord. It's a broken chord. And then you connect it to the next chord. The chord in the next measure. It's just a broken chord. That's all it is. Drop down one line. Third line on page 82. These notes. Again, it's that same broken chord we had before. Then in the last measure, the third line, look at this. You have this chord, a first inversion, second version, root. You're just going up the inversions one at a time. And this is an important skill you need to have in piano, so this is a wonderful piece. I really like this. You just take it really, really slow, but understand you're just doing this with broken chords. Fingering wise, you can use your fingerings. I mean, you can also do and there I'm just changing hand positions one time, but I changed the fingering to handle this and then this. But their fingering is fun. It's a little trickier, a little more dangerous, but it's fun. Doesn't hurt to be able to do either one. Just take it slow. I'm having fun this morning. I'm playing a little too fast, but got to have fun once in a while. Over on page 83, it's a continuation of these broken chords. So if you look at it that way, it's not so bad. Look at the second line, second measure. This chord, next measure, just changed chords. So if you'll see these patterns in music, and when you recognize, you think, oh yeah, this is just a broken chord thing, and you'll just play it that way. Yeah, that really makes music so much easier. It's one of the main reasons to learn the chords, the primary chords, because you'll recognize them here in pieces and things, and yeah, learn them. Scales too. Obviously no pedal, because this is just a bouncy piece. Yeah, in the left hand at the top of page 82, it's staccato. And then the simile means continuous staccato throughout. And in this piece, unless it's got a slur, the left hand is all staccato, except for the slurred parts. Now when you get to the bottom of page 83, there's a DS sign al fine. DS is go back to the sign. The sign is on page 82, third line down between the second and third measures. You see that squiggly thingy there? You go back to there. Now there is a note there, second time 8 VA al fine, which means when you do go back, so suddenly instead of here, you're here. It's just the right hand. The left hand doesn't move. It would have to say both hands, if both hands move, no. And then you'll stay up there, and the fine is second line on page 83, into the first measure. So that. So let's try this out really, really, really slow, just to check the notes and everything. Rhythm, I hope, is not a problem. There's just a lot of one and two and stuff going on. I'm going to give us 4 counts. Let's try this out. I'm going to go ahead and use the extended position fingering. You can use the fingering in the book if you want, but I'm going to go here. Left hand, okay. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, and go. And rest. I don't know if there's recordings of this around. I think somebody would have had fun with it and uploaded it. I didn't look, but just in case, I think it might go something like this.